Hold it. Good job. Oopsie doopsie doop. Give this to me. Give this to me.
Here you go.
Oh, wait. Now we will add some
The sweets.
black pepper.
Black pepper.
Now what we will add?
Chili.
No, it's salt.
Salt.
Yes.
Give me the little salt. Is it ready?
Yes. Now mix.
No, wait.
Yes. Mix.
Mix. Round and round.
Is it done?
Yes, it's a circle.
Hmm.
It's like a two circle.
Now Khushi is going to cook. Hold it. Hold the katori. Very. Well done.
I did this.
You did it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. I'm happy.
You are happy. Okay. So here it is the omelette.
Yeah, it's the omelette. Now ready for it.
You want to eat it?
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
Here it is. Khushi's breakfast is ready. Khushi like to eat?
Yes.
Okay. Say please like, subscribe and share.
Bye bye.